Hey fam, I have heard that you guys were interested in a nerdy nugget, so I suppose I should probably maybe live up to the requests. First of all, I know some of you guys haven't seen the new house, so woo, new house! Isn't it wonderful? Actually, Dad has done a lot to help us out, and look at that kitchen. It's a nice new kitchen. We're really happy about the kitchen. Anyway, exoplanets. They're pretty awesome. I know that the transit method is what you guys were talking about by the campfire, so I will give you guys a quick idea of how that works. So behind me is a really bright light. Let's pretend that's a star. And let's pretend this little fuzzy right here is a little planet. As it goes in front of the planet, it gets dimmer and then brighter as it passes by. Hurrah! It's a really, really Nash thing, but Connor's asleep in the other room, so we gotta, not rumble through everything. But either way, basically what they do is they set the satellites looking at a group of stars, and they look for that characteristic dipping, and if it happens again and again and again periodically, then they know that there's a planet there, because that's really the only thing that would be a periodic, like that type of stuff. They can find out a lot of detail by that, because if it dips every month, then they know the planet orbits the sun every month, and so it's got a 1 month year. If it takes 5 years, then it's got a 5 year orbital period. Awesome. Once they know the orbital period, then you can start getting other information, like how much did it dip by, to kind of get a general idea of what the mass is, and then doing a little bit of math, you can see the orbital period compared to the mass to get where it might be in the solar system. And once you get that, you can start getting an idea of its composition based off of where everything would accrete to make a planet for that. If it's got an atmosphere, that dip might look a little bit funny, because as the atmosphere passes in front of the sun, it would dip it a little bit differently than as you would for just a solid mass. And yeah, you can get a lot of really good information. It is limited in the sense that it only works for systems and planets in which the planet in question moves directly in front of the sun. If it doesn't do that, we don't get very good information. And obviously we don't see anything that it doesn't orbit directly between us and the sun. So we found many, many, many planets following this method. And we know we can only see about 1 or 2% of planets using this method, so you can extrapolate how many planets there must be in the universe, or at least the Milky Way galaxy. It's pretty cool. Without going into too technical of explanation, we'll stop right there. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying Deception Pass. Anyway, have a nice day.